Hey guys, welcome. It's 2022. I want to thank everyone for being here and being a part of School for the Fool, healing, harmonizing, and raising the vibrations into 2022 and what we're about to create. It is the year of unity. And we've been creating this, guys. Now, I want to say we've been expanding with the creator, okay? I want to get my words right. You know, so many times, if I could just telepathically communicate, I feel like I wouldn't have to continuously explain myself. And I work really hard to work with the masculine and find the right words, because I feel like a lot of times from what I'm trying to explain, I don't always get the masculine right. I don't always get the words right. But this is how we grow, right? This is how we grow. Now, guys, I had a vision. I want to share the vision because it's connected to the message today. It's connected to the message of, we know the last time we met up, we're working with the Ace of Pentacles. We're having a third eye activation. We're going to see what this third eye activation is connected to today. And this third eye activation is connected to the Six of Cups and the earth and the water working together in order to create joy as we heal from patterns of lust. And we're going to explain this further within a moment. So stay tuned. And Ein Sophur. And what we're going to do is we're going to work with the purest form of life. This is creation unfolding. And we're about to have a transformation with the future. It's also connected to the past and the in-between. We do explain that further. And holistic health. And the dance between ego and spirit. The dance between the dualities. The dance between the dark and the light. The dance between the hot and the cold. Catching what I'm saying, guys, right? Now, let's share this vision. The butterfly flying away to a tree that outreached its hands. A tree that looked like a god. And then the tree turned into a bird and flew away. And it turned into a human eye. There was a spider before the eye. And then the moon came out of the sky, the crescent, and turned into a boat and floated away. And then I saw the cranium of the skull lit with the light, just like that vision with the solar eclipse. And the light is going to show us something. It's connected to Ein Sophur. We're going to see something with Ein Sophur, and it's going to allow us to move forward with massive expansive healing. It's connected to the new. So that was my vision, and I received it in the bathtub. Okay? Now, I'm gonna do some purification work and get this lit up. I just want to share a few more channel messages to have a recap and build off that. And I know this time channel messages for December 31st, January 1st were a little bit longer, guys, but those were the messages, and I'm honoring that. And I feel called to expand off this a little bit further. So just let's take a look at this, and then we're going to go from there.